Audi A4 is perhaps the most well-rounded car in the ultra-luxury sedan segment, thanks to its compelling combination of athletic performance, a comfortable and well-built interior, high-tech features, and handsome exterior design. It excels in almost all areas of our testing, out-accelerates its rivals while sipping fuel, and cocoons its occupants in a quiet, spacious, and well-appointed cabin. The suspension admirably walks the thin line between sport and comfort, providing valiant cornering confidence when pushed hard and a relaxed experience when cruising long distances. Throw in a smattering of cutting-edge technology by way of the optional digital gauge cluster, onboard Wi-Fi, and advanced active safety tech, and the A4's myriad qualities elevate it to near the top of its class. Its appearance may be unassuming, but make no mistake, in the ultra-luxury class, the A4 is a superhero in street clothes. High's strong and efficient engine, ideal ride and handling balance, modern interior. Low's costly active safety features, status quo styling. Verdict: a blend of sport and luxury that few sedans can match. What's new for 2018? A handful of changes to its offerings mark the A4's second model year since its major redesign. The Black Optic Plus package is newly available on all-wheel drive Premium Plus and Prestige models. It blacks out much of the A4's exterior trim, including the grille, window surrounds, wheels, rear spoiler, and mirror housings, and adds a sport steering wheel, glossy black trim, and subtle red upholstery stitching inside. The base premium trim gains standard heated front seats and a complement of S-line exterior enhancements. Mid-range Premium Plus models benefit from standard blind spot monitoring with rear cross-traffic alert, and the top-spec Prestige trim now comes with more advanced active safety gear, including adaptive cruise control, automatic high-beam headlamps, and traffic sign recognition. In an attempt to hush the interior further, Prestige models also gain acoustic glass front windows. The detuned Ultra engine is now available in all three trim levels with front-wheel drive. What was new for 2017? The A4 was redesigned for 2017 and received a new chassis, an updated turbocharged inline-4 engine, and all sorts of new features. A fuel economy-focused version of the 2.0-litre turbocharged inline-4, known as the Ultra, joined the lineup. Trims and options: we'd choose the mid-range Premium Plus trim, strikes the best chord for those seeking access to tech features. We'd also advocate for all-wheel drive to avoid the detuned engine and the 6-speed manual transmission for its added dose of driver engagement versus the no-cost option 7-speed dual-clutch automatic. We'd spring for the $3,000 navigation and telematics package, which adds Audi's reconfigurable virtual cockpit digital gauge cluster, a larger 8.3-inch infotainment display, navigation, at $47,675. Our all-wheel drive A4 sees a slight $275 bump in price over last year's model. Those who value fuel efficiency over all-season stability can opt for the front-wheel drive Premium Plus Ultra model with the same navigation and telematics package for $43,175. While some competitors offer myriad engine choices, including hybrids and diesels, Audi keeps it simple: a 252-horsepower turbocharged 2.0-litre inline-4 gasoline engine and a detuned eco-focused version of that engine called the Ultra, which makes 190 horsepower. Transmission options include a 6-speed manual or a 7-speed dual-clutch automatic. Front-wheel drive is standard, and Audi's famous Quattro all-wheel drive system is optional. The Ultra engine option promises improved fuel economy but is not offered with all-wheel drive. What's new for 2018? Audi has changed none of the A4's available powertrains for 2018, although the detuned Ultra engine can now be chosen with the Prestige trim. We did have the opportunity to strap our test gear to a 2018 A4 2.0T Quattro with the 6-speed manual transmission. It out-accelerated its automatic shifting equivalent from last year in our 0 to 60 mph and quarter-mile tests by a mere 0.1 second. Otherwise, we were pleased with the manual's smooth action and communicative clutch, making it our pick of the range. 2017 Audi A4. In the A4 2.0 Quattro Prestige we tested, the powertrain worked splendidly, providing class-leading acceleration and smooth power delivery. The 2.0's performance is so impressive that it almost makes the A4's high-performance sibling, the turbocharged, V6-powered S4, seem redundant. For such a quick car, the A4 is also remarkably efficient. It's bettered by the BMW 3 Series in our real-world testing but still achieves nearly economy car fuel efficiency. What's new for 2018? The EPA rates the A4 automatic with a significant improvement on its highway fuel economy rating for 2018, bumping it from 31 to 34 miles per gallon. The Mercedes-Benz C300 also sees an improvement in its ratings for 2018 thanks to a new 9-speed automatic, but its increase isn't as dramatic as the Audi's. Out on our 200-mile highway fuel economy test loop, the 2018 A4 with the manual transmission we tested outperformed its EPA rating. It managed 34 miles per gallon, but that still falls short of the car we tested last year with the automatic transmission, which delivered 37 miles per gallon against its 31 miles per gallon rating. 2017 Audi A4 with its focus on fuel efficiency, the Ultra engine achieves the highest EPA ratings of the A4 lineup, with 37 miles per gallon on the highway and 27 miles per gallon in the city. Even the more powerful A4 2.0T with all-wheel drive is rated at up to 33 miles per gallon highway with the manual transmission. Opting for the automatic transmission drops ratings by 2 miles per gallon on the highway. We've devised our own fuel economy test in an attempt to replicate how most people drive on the highway. Our procedure entails a 200-mile out and back loop on Michigan's I-94 highway. We maintain a GPS-verified 75 miles per hour and use the cruise control as much as possible to mimic the way many drivers behave during long trips. In our test of the A4 2.0T Quattro Prestige with the automatic transmission, the Audi outperformed its EPA highway rating by an impressive 6 miles per gallon, although it still fell short of the similarly overachieving BMW 330i. The A4 has a 15.3-gallon fuel tank that gives it about average cruising range in this group.
Yeah.